welcome to Gordon Guitar. We have Rema here with us. We had Rema before with a song called Calm Down, I believe. This time we have a cool song called Bad Commando. So that is about 4 chords that goes round and round in a cool kind of rhythm there. I'm gonna give you the bass thing here for this kind of rhythm and how to handle the chords. And you can also play with it. I think I can perhaps freestyle a little bit for you in the end of this tutorial, so stay tuned for the freestyle there. And yeah, let's start right away to go over the bass thing here. We need to set our capo on the 4th fret, and with that we have 4 chords. First we have the A minor, so that is open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, 1st B, and open E. The next chord will be G, so that is 3rd on E, 2nd on A, open D, open G, 3rd B, and 3rd E. Next chord will be F, so that's a bar there on the 1st fret, all strings. The rest will be 3rd on A, 3rd on D, and 2nd on G. And the final chord will be E. So that is open E, 2nd A, 2nd D, 1st G, open B, and open E. And yeah, the bass for this one is not actually the full chords there, but we will play some notes and patterns from the chords. So let's go over the most basic thing. First, based on A minor, it will sound like this. Okay? So what you do there is you're gonna play open A, then 2nd G together with 1st B for 2 times. Then open A again, and 2nd G together with 1st B 1 time. That's the A minor part, so it sounds like this. Alright. Then you switch just the bass note here, and that is based on the G chord, but the 2nd fret the G string and 1st fret B string will be still there. So just switch the bass to 3rd fret E, and that part sounds like this. And it's the same pattern. So you start with the 3rd fret E string in the bass 1 time, then 2nd fret G, 1st fret B 2 times together, then 3rd fret E again, and one final on 2nd fret G, 1st fret B. Alright, so far A minor and G sounds like this slowly. We are half in, and now it's time for the F. We need to switch the grip a little bit. So you're gonna play this part. Okay, so the pattern is the same, just different notes. So this time we have the bass on the 1st fret E string. And then you play the 2nd fret G string with 1st fret B string, so nothing changes there. You just need to recuperate your fingers like this, so switch them a little bit like this. So 1st fret E string 1 time, and then 2 times on the 2nd fret G string together with 1st fret B string, then back to 1st fret E string, and 1 time on the 2nd fret G, 1st fret B. So slowly the F was. And then we have a final part left, the E bass notes. And the bass note here will be open E string. And then you're gonna play the 1st fret G string together with open B for 2 times. Back to open E. And one final time on 1st fret G together with open B. Yeah, so that is the basic pattern. I'm gonna play one round slow for you, so let's go. Great. Now we can bring in a clap that will do pretty much for this rhythm here. And where do we place the claps? All right, you're gonna do it after the 2-time when you play the strings G and B together. So that means first clap on A minor will be after these 2, hit the clap, and then comes the bass notes and the 2 again. Okay, so clap. And the same goes for other chords in the same spot there. So you switch to G, play the bass there, and 2 times on the GB, and there comes the clap. Same goes for F, clap, and the same goes for E, clap. So together, one round with the clap will sound like this. And you know, that is pretty much what I'm about to teach you for this song. Because the rest, I think you can play with it and add in some extra notes. There are no rules. This is actually what is played in the song, but since this is so cool and so nice to play, very fun to play, I can play a little bit with it and give you some extra material here. But yeah, that's not for the lesson. This is just some extra here. So I hope you enjoy this Rema Bad Commando. Great song there. And good luck with the strumming and the notes. So hope to see you soon. Don't forget, play tuned.